When areas are faced with destruction and debris following disaster events, the cleanup process is a first step towards recovery. The Storm Data Management System by Transport Tracking streamlines the debris removal process with an easy-to-use management solution. Storm helps track personnel, vehicles, and equipment, as well as tracking types of debris in the debris stream and the overall workflow of debris removal. The Storm Data Management System provides easy-to-read, accurate information that can be tracked on paper and online. Each element of the recovery process can be tracked in the Storm Data Management System. Beginning at registration, qualified drivers and crew members are entered into the system, photographed for verification, and issued ID badges which include a barcode. Vehicles and equipment are inspected for safety and qualification. They're photographed for authentication and clearly labeled with tracking information, which also includes a barcode. Using barcodes or printed information, the Storm Data Management System easily links crew members, vehicles, and work tasks into an efficient application used to manage and track workflow from the removal site to the disposal site. Field workers use wireless handsets and printers that transmit electronic data and generate printed tickets. The equipment is simple to use and training takes only minutes.
First thing to check is make sure the number, the ID on the back of the handheld, matches the ID on the back of the printer. On the printer, the green button, you just touch it once, real quick. Should see it start coming on. On the handheld, turn it on with the button on the top. Okay, everybody should be at the login screen right here. It says Storm at the top, operator ID login. At the operator login, you're going to scan your operator ID badge, and that acquires your badge ID that was issued during check-in. You're going to come to a truck entry screen. At the truck entry screen, you simply scan the truck number on the side of the placard. The truck ID is critical in the process because that is what ties the payment process to the subcontractors and various contractors working on the project. So it's important to verify the truck number on the next screen, verify it again once the ticket's printed, and make sure everything is correct. This screen is your GPS and debris selection screen, which this is where your GPS data is acquired for each load, and you select your debris type if multiple debris types are configured. Once your debris type is selected, you initiate the print of the ticket using the print button. Once the ticket's printed, they're going to hand the ticket to the trucker, and that's his load receipt to authorize him to take the load to the dump site. They can't go to the dump without this ticket. We've embedded in this ticket all kinds of data: date, time, your ID number, lat longitude, job numbers, debris types.
Tickets are presented by drivers at disposal sites. The embedded information on the tickets is scanned and entered into the Storm application. Receipt tickets are printed for the driver and for other managing organizations. Data collected at debris removal sites can be monitored through a web-based interface using an internet-connected computer. A project summary shows real-time information, including the number of trucks, debris loads, and the number of cubic yards of debris collected. Users can see the performance of each subcontractor, as well as the total volume at each disposal site and volume by debris type. Information can be viewed by truck ID, contractor, or other criteria. All of this can be easily exported to an Excel format file. Support equipment, even employee data and photos are recorded in the management system. Global positioning data displays disposal sites and load locations. In addition to this data, complete ticket information printed at the disposal site can be displayed on the screen.
It offers many checks and balances over the typical paper scratch ticket that was prone to just numerous errors at numerous steps in the process.
The Storm Data Management System by Transport Tracking provides an efficient, accurate solution for documenting the workflow and results of the debris removal process.
It eliminates all the duplicative data entry that is typically taking place among the various contractors, agencies, FEMA, and eliminated the need for reconciliation between each organization's manual entry of data.